Hello guys, I hope you all are going well. So today I'm going to show you that how we can set up Google Tag Manager into our WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website for video purpose only. We are going to install Tag Manager into this WordPress website. This is WordPress website. Here is dashboard, and we are now going to set up Google Tag Manager into this one. Before starting the main part, I want to say you that my English is not well, compromise with that, and please subscribe my channel. I will continue upload more video about Tag Manager, Google Ad and Pixel, Facebook, etc. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it's also very helpful for me. So let's go. Now you have to go into Google Tag Manager. For that, search Google Tag Manager. Go into Tag Manager websites. Here is the front interface of Tag Manager. You have to create an account. So we are going to create an account. Write your agency name, company name, what you want. I'm going to set that MrMredul Shop Management. Select your country, and here you have to check this one if you want to share your data with Google and other. If you don't, then uncheck this one, whatever. And after that, container is like ship container, where is a container where all data will be stored of your website. So this container is under of this account. So first account, then container. You can name this as your website name, or you can write here your domain name also. And after that, you have to select target platform where you want to install. So this one is WordPress, and this one is obviously a website, web-based thing. So select web, and if you want to install Tag Manager into app or other thing, you can select those. We are going to select this web. That's enough for us. Click create. Read this term and service agreement. Click yes. It's creating. After that, you will see an interface like that, and here it's saying that paste this code into header of your website. We are not going to copy this code and paste into our footer page. We will install Google Tag Manager in different method. That's plugin method. We will use a plugin to install Tag Manager into our website. So for that, we don't need this code, we just need this measurement ID. You will find this measurement ID here, or you can also find it here. So this is the Tag Manager interface, front interface of our container, website containers. So we will just simply copy this one, measurement ID, and we will go back into our WordPress website dashboard. You have to find plugin, add new plugin, and search here GTM for WP. For means 4. So you will find a GTM for WP, and you have to install this one into your website. Click install now. It will take some time. So it's installed, and you have to click on active. So plugin is installed and active in our website. Now you have to go into setting, and here you will see this Google Tag Manager after installing that plugin. Click here, and you will see that it asking for measurement ID. You have to just copy this one and paste here. And so after that, you have to just click save. But that's not done. You have to check this one again and run one, and you have to click again save. And some extra thing I want to say, that if you want to share or turn on data layer, you can easily turn on data layer from here of this plugin setup integration WooCommerce. For WooCommerce website, here you have to select if you want to track e-commerce, and here you have to select this one for data layer, cart data layer and order data layer. That will help you to deliver the customer information also into tag manager. And then that's it. After putting measurement ID here, or this is Google Tag Manager ID, my mistake, Tag Manager ID here, and click here save. That is done, Tag Manager installed. So we are now going to check this one. For checking this, we have to verify, for not checking, for verify that is already installed or not, we have to download a plugin or install a plugin into our Chrome browser. So that's called Google Tag Manager extension. So this one is Google's official extension. Here is Google Developer. Just add into your Chrome browser, and here you will see this extension. This one is going to your website, refresh your website page, and you have to click here done, enable, refresh again. Here, that's the result of tag analyze. That here in this website, a tag manager, Google Tag Manager set up perfectly, and this one is account ID number. So let's match this one, B2M. Yes, this one is B2M. So that's it. Google Tag Manager setup successfully done.